3 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Я кричу от мороженого. Игра слов. Страница 144-145. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. I scream for ice cream. Page number 144, 145. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our walk. Open your books, please. Page number 144. 144. Spotlight on Russia. I scream for ice cream. Repeat after me. Russian children like ice cream a lot. They eat it in hot and cold weather, at home and outside. They buy it in shops and kiosks. They also go to ice cream cafes with their friends. Children like all flavors of ice cream: chocolate, vanilla, and fruit. They're all yummy. Ice cream is very popular in Russia, and people have special ice cream festivals. They are great fun. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Answer the questions. Do you like ice cream? Where do you buy it? Do you eat it in winter? What's your favorite flavor? Can you make ice cream? Ответь на вопросы. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I like an ice cream. Where do you buy it? I buy it in shops. Do you eat it in winter? Yes, I do. What's your favorite flavor? My favorite flavor is chocolate. Can you make ice cream? No, I can't make an ice cream. In an ice cream cafe. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Read and act out. Прочитайте и разыграйте сценку. Hello, can I help you? Yes, please. I'd like an ice cream. What flavor? Chocolate, please. Here you are. It's 5 rubles. Thank you. Bye. Bye. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Draw a symbol for an ice cream festival and present it to your class. Нарисуй логотип фестиваля мороженого и представь его классу. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 145. 145. Everybody likes presents. Все любят подарки. New Year is a wonderful holiday. Russian children like it because they got a lot of presents. They get them from their parents, grandparents, friends, and Father Frost. Father Frost and Snow Maiden, his granddaughter, live in Великий Устюг. They live in a beautiful wooden house. Children write letters to Father Frost and ask him to bring them presents, toys, computer games, chocolates, and books. Some children come to Великий Устюг to see Father Frost and Snow Maiden and give them presents too. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 1. Write a letter to Father Frost. Напиши письмо Деду Морозу. Dear Father Frost, I'd like toy soldier, toy car, ball, and chocolate for New Year. Thank you very much. Yours, Paul. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. I fly so blue in the sky. Even my name is so clear. Butterfly, lower the trees, many places to rest. My wings are open and I am the best. Wonderful dance, look at me once, and don't forget, climb in the bed. Wonderful dance, look at me once,